Where are we at?
The Target.
The Target. We're at the Target. That's not my wife, that's Tiffany. We bought a trailer for the bikes for the kids, but Kathy found out it's Florida law that they have to have a helmet, so we're here to buy helmets at Target. Have you guys heard of it? So we just found out today that Lucky's Market is closing all 35 stores, right babe?
All but one of their locations. They're keeping one.
All but
closing the rest.
one location, which is insane. The game has changed so much in shopping.
We can't all be Target.
Hoover's Market, which is a well-known place here in the Orlando area, was there for like 40 years. In 2019, they shut down their store.
Yeah, at the end of the year.
Yeah, and Native Sun in Jacksonville, which is another kind of small mom and pop place, they also announced that they are shutting their doors too because of the growing market in this industry. The bigger guys coming in, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods.
Everybody's getting in the game, but the game is changing.
Uh-oh, August is about to.
Come here, buddy. So, yeah, there's our picture.
It's my picture.
Yeah, say cheese.
So the game is changing, and we're trying to figure out how to stay
Don't touch the camera.
in the game. We've been calling around several places looking at different opportunities that have cropped up over the last week for having a storefront.
Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Hey there, this is Kathy from the Farmacy in downtown Winter Garden. I was calling about the location that you guys have available. If you wouldn't mind telling me the breakdown and also the terms of it. Okay, that would be awesome. Thank you.
Okay. And the owner is asking $31.25 per month plus sales tax. The tenant is also responsible for property taxes and insurance. He's asking for a minimum of a 1-year lease as is.
Thank you very much. That's super helpful. I will write that down and share that with my husband. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay.
That's a lot of lettuce that we'd have to sell. And a lot of money lettuce.
Pushing the kid and the kid on the back. And you're pregnant. That's amazing.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
They don't have kids' helmets. How do they only have 5 helmets here? Here's some more helmets. Target is rarely a disappointment.
Who doesn't have helmets for kids?
Oh, look, Robbie.
Oh, never let me down, Target. You never let us down. The mother load. All right, buddy. Which one you want, huh? Let's just try this one. You not like it?
I do. The dragon one.
This looks like you should be in the video game Road Rash, whipping a chain around in your little kid cart. Cows, sheep, and a horse, and a chicken. This is very Farmacy.
It is very fancy.
Okay, you're gonna get the cars one, we're gonna get this one for brother. Cool, I think we did it. Now we can go on our bike ride. Thank you, Target, for not letting us down. You think his head's too big for it? Well, it says 1 through 3 on it.
Yeah, but our kid has a really big head. Yep.
No, it'll fit.
No, it like
just
doesn't even
fit.
go on it.
What do you think? I think it fits.
It doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit?
That's not correct.
It looks like, I mean, it's just a little lopsided, but...
What is the neck hole for?
Well, he can take it off. That would fit a cantaloupe.
This would fit
Our
an
kid
average
has a watermelon.
I'm sorry, babe. You're just gonna have to return it.
As we are now finding ourselves without a place that we can find that has reasonable rent, we'll be finding ourselves back at the farmer's market every single Saturday as we kind of are transitioning out of this store into whatever's next. So this time around, whenever we started back at the farmer's market, we actually wanted to come back to the farmer's market because we knew that our storefront was going to be going away. So we came up with a plan and started working with the city to promote it and get some infrastructure in place, and now we actually do all of these operations on behalf of the farmers. So they do all the harvesting, they do all of the farming part, and then they bring it here. We take care of everything else from displays and signs and checkout and bags and everything that's involved in setting up and running a farmer's market. We do that for them, which makes it a lot easier for them because they can then focus on farming and doing what they do best. It's kind of interesting to be back, you know, 6 years later, back at the farmer's market, feeling like we're starting from scratch, but in a whole new way. We're trying to find that spot Is there a spot? Are things just different now where we can't even have a brick and mortar location? Is it just too expensive to do it? It's going to be interesting to see how it all turns out, but we do know one thing for sure is that we love being here. We love being at the farmers market. We love getting to see our customers. We love getting to help our farmers. It's just a really cool experience being here every week.
And we're back. Back to Target once again. Target, you got me twice in one day. It's my fault though. I listened to your wife. We're gonna get them the same helmet. That's good parenting, right? Pro tip, you get so they don't fight over it. Hey buddy, you got your own. I don't have the receipt, so I hope they exchange it. Hey man, I literally bought it today. I just need to exchange it for this one because my kid's head is too big. Glenn, you are a very quality human being. Thank you, Target. Yet again, you have not disappointed me.
One major advantage of being at the farmers market is that your overhead is super low because as soon as you open a store, all the costs go way up. But at farmers market, you can keep all of your costs low because you basically have a very low rent, tons of traffic on one day, and that's it. So I highly recommend anybody who's wanting to start their own little business, get out there and sell something at a farmer's market. That's the way to go to start. Go serve somebody, go make something, go pop up a tent. You get that instant feedback from your customers as to what you're offering, if it's what they want. It's a great place to be.
Set, ready to go. You guys ready? Let's go. You guys are being awfully good back there. Makes me think something's wrong.
So while we haven't had any luck yet finding a place to be our next storefront, we have found a place that we can do all of our grocery order fulfillment for the locker deliveries.
Sorry.
And we have locked down an amazing place. It's literally perfect.
It's perfect with the perfect people.
Yes, we have one of our farmers that we've been working with for years that has the perfect space available for us. So we have it on lockdown where we're gonna be doing lockers.
Yeah.
Boom.
We're really excited about this
And
place.
the first locker location that we're planning to put one happens to be in Claremont at the Mountaineer Coffee Shop right there in the Citrus Tower. So all of you people who are disappointed about Lucky's closing, we will try to get some goodies to you in those lockers.
Goody goody.
Please don't judge me that our Christmas tree is still up. I want to take it down. It's like half bald, but life be crazy. So basically, right now the name of the game is try to figure out how to stay in the game.
In the game. Are you in or are you out?
Whatever it takes. David Moss.
What?